So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Vlogmas.
Happy Christmas! It's Christmas!
Which is the most profitable thing any YouTuber that's monetized can do right now to make some extra money in December. I mean, if that sounds interesting, then continue watching. If you're new here, my name is Gajaan and I'm an 18-year-old student based in London. And on this channel, we talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, anything along those lines from a teenager's point of view. If you're interested and you want to join my journey of becoming a millionaire one day, then subscribe, turn your post notifications on, share my channel with friends and family. So make sure you check out my Instagram page and my TikTok page, which are both growing decently, and you can go help out there as well. The topics that we're going to cover in today's video, I'm going to put chapters in the video so you can skip around however you like, but try and watch the whole video to help me out. So we're going to split it into what is Vlogmas, why you can make extra money in Vlogmas, why I'm going to do Vlogmas, how hard Vlogmas is to actually do, and that's pretty much it. So if you're interested, keep watching. I'm going to cover all these things today. What does the word Vlogmas actually mean? So the vlog part is taken from vlog, obviously. YouTubers make vlogs, they're videos that showcase your life, whatever. And then the must part is from Christmas. Put them together, you get Vlogmas.
After amazing nights.
So that's what Vlogmas is in terms of technicality. Initially, when Vlogmas was created, it was created as a challenge where you post a video every single day in the month of December. But for some people that was overwhelming, so they changed it to every day until the 25th of December, which is Christmas. And I mean, if you're wondering why people do this, it was intended as a festive thing, but it's actually turned out to be the most profitable thing YouTubers can do all year. And I'll tell you why later in the video, so keep watching. Also, typically the videos have to have a Christmas twist to them. But that's not necessary, you can still make the video without a Christmas twist. And the main thing is you just post every day in December or up to the 25th. Let's talk about Vlogmas in terms of my channel's niche, which is business and finance. So why is Vlogmas profitable in any way? Well, for YouTube creators, the holiday season or the December month is the most profitable season of the year. And the reason for this is that the winter season is where all the advertising budget that all companies have get pushed out onto, and they have to finish the budget before the end of the year, and all that's left over from the whole year has been just shoved into December and they have to spend that money. So now that money is distributed to all the YouTube creators that are monetized, which gives them higher CPMs and RPMs, leaving them with more ad revenue, which is paid by Google. And yeah, that's in layman's terms why winter season is better for YouTubers. The two words that you probably don't know. That's CPM and RPM. CPM means cost per mil. Cost per mil means how much you and YouTube get paid every 1,000 views. And then RPM is revenue per mil, which means how much you by yourself get paid per 1,000 views. This is after YouTube take their cut, so the RPM is a more accurate descriptor of how much you actually make per 1,000 views. If you're wondering if I'm monetized on YouTube, yes, I am monetized on YouTube, which means getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year. I have passed that threshold and I am monetized, but the thing is, I don't get enough views on my videos to actually make a nice amount of money. I have ridiculous CPMs and RPMs, but I don't have the views to match. So if you guys could do me a favor and share this video with family and friends, and share my channel with anyone that's interested in personal finance and a teenager's point of view from it, then share this channel to them and hopefully we can grow from there and start raking in some more views so I can make some more money. Help a brother out. Although I did say that the festive season is better for YouTube creators in terms of money, this isn't for every creator, as some niches have different ranges for CPMs. So for example, the finance niche would have a way higher CPM than the fashion niche, for example. This is just because of the type of people and the type of videos that advertisers want to put their ads in front of. So just because it's a festive season doesn't mean that your earnings are going to suddenly skyrocket. So don't get the wrong idea, please. A lot of people that don't actually make YouTube videos tend to look down upon YouTubers and social media influencers and think that the work doesn't really take that long and it's not that hard. But the thing is, the reality is that YouTube videos take so long to make. The recording process, the research, the editing, the uploading, takes time. It takes time and effort. People don't understand this and think that, oh, Vlogmas is going to be easy because you just have to post a video every day. But then they're forgetting the fact that you have to research the content behind each video, you have to record each video, then you have to edit each video and then upload each video as well. And especially when you have another life going on aside from YouTube. For example, I have to attend university, I have to be with family, with friends, it's the Christmas season. You can't expect it to be that easy, but here's the thing, I'm gonna stay positive. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try my best to post a video every single day in the Christmas season. I might not be able to post it every single day, but I'm gonna try and do at least 25 days in December. I know it's a lot, but I am gonna try my best and I'm still gonna try and put quality videos out there. So if you wanna see if I can actually accomplish this challenge, then you know what to do already. Subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and be active every day. Watch out for my name, and yeah, make sure you watch the videos and support on each one. It will give me a bit more morale to actually keep going, but I'm gonna try my best and see what happens. And I'll share the results with you guys after as well. Today's actually December the 1st, which means it's the first day of the month and the festive season. So this is my first video of this challenge and hopefully I can go through with it. And I hope this video actually gets pushed out to the algorithm because I don't really have much luck when it comes to the algorithm. But hopefully this does get pushed out and people see that I'm doing this challenge and want to support me or whatever. And in order to place ads wherever you want in the video, your video has to be at least 8 minutes long. So that's the threshold that I'm aiming for. I'm going to try and make every video that I post in this Christmas season 8 minutes long. And I'll try my best to get that point, but if I can't, then I'll just leave it. You can still put ads in the video, but it'll only be at the front and the end. But if it's 8 minutes, you can place it wherever you want. So hopefully I can make 8-minute videos, but if they're not quality, then I'm not going to try and make 8-minute videos, and I'll just stick to shorter videos. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to treat this like the final push of 2021 in terms of my YouTube channel, and hopefully it can do some good for my channel and hopefully make me reach 2K subscribers, which is my new goal. And yeah, and hopefully like pick up with the earnings and the views and you know what, all of that stuff. So if you're interested in helping out and supporting, then make sure you smash the subscribe button and like this video and comment as well if you have any questions or any requests. And yeah, I mean, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.